Yes, hello everyone, it's me, Pinay, rancher in Texas. Today's video is all about the carrots and apples mukbang to the cows. So I'm gonna give it to them later because I have a bunch of apples and carrots here just to feed them, to give them snacks later. So this is all up to here. The apples, of course. Here, I'm gonna show you. Yeah. It's here. Look at that. I have a bunch of apples and carrots to feed them. They're all organics, of course. All of our cows are organic as well because they feed organic grass. So they love this. They love all of this carrots, especially wilbur. Wilbur, he loves carrots and fruits too. So I'm gonna cut it later. Just slice this later, just to give them to our horses and cows. So yeah. It's so heavy on the basket tray, you see. So this is all that I got today. The apples is an organic, and of course the carrots. So I'm gonna chop it later, and I still have 1 pack of carrots to give them as well. So I'm gonna slice this and give it to them. So if you're not connected me yet, please do to visit my channel so that you'll be updated on my next video. Our cows, they love all of this because I give wilbur, especially wilbur, he loves carrots. So that's why every week I have bags of carrots just for them, and apples too. So later, let's see, because I gonna give also to the horses. They love this, all of this, but I forgot to buy them, like, you know, the candy. They love the candies also. After they eat some grass, they like to have candies as well. So here, this is their favorite, of course, except from the ranch cube. We give these fruits also and carrots for them. All right, see you. So these are all the apples that I sliced today for our cows. I'll give them all of this. All of this here is like 3 bags of apples and 2 packs of carrots. So I'm gonna put them in there for their snacks at the backyards. They are waiting for me there to feed these apples. Yeah, these are good for them. Organic apples. Sana all mukbang apples later. Sarap sarap. Yeah, it's juicy though. Crispy and juicy. Yeah, like it. Mukbang also. Oh, tastes good. It's juicy. Yeah, and the carrot is here too. Yeah, I already cut it. Alright, we'll see you then at the back later because they're gonna eat these mukbang apples and carrots. Alright. This is it, apple and carrots mukbang to the cows. I'm gonna give them for their snacks today, this afternoon here. The time now is 5 p.m. here. So let's go. We're gonna go and see. I'm gonna give some to her because she's here waiting for us to snacks. So I'm gonna give some carrots and apples to her. Yeah. And the rest are coming. I know. She likes this. Yeah. She likes this. We're gonna see the other cows out there. We're gonna see the other cows up there. So see you later. I think it's enough for you, okay? Yeah. Well, they're coming in here. I just throw this away on the turf so that they'll hear. Look at that. They're coming in here. Yeah, this is it. Eating fruits. Okay, let's go here. Come on, baby. This is here. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna put it the other side too. Okay, eating fruits. Here. Here, this is your snacks. I know Wilbur loves this. You see that? Wilbur loves this. Some of the cows don't like it, but Wilbur loved it. Look at that. Okay, let's go. You eat it. No. Here. Yeah, they're eating. Yeah, look at that. They're eating. Look at that, Wilbur. Hello, Wilbur. Yeah, there's this. This is your snacks now. Go. Yeah, we're here. She loves it. Come on, here. Look at that. This is snacks for now, okay? No orange cube for now. Only fruits. Oh. Yeah, Wilbur loves fruits also. You see that? They're eating. Yeah. Hey guys, the two of you. Huh? You want me to feed by hand, Wilbur? Huh? You want me to feed by hand? I got some special for you today because today is Happy Birthday month. It's your birthday, right, Wilbur? What's going on, Clyda May? What you looking at me like that, huh? You're so funny. Yeah, Wilbur is here. Wilbur, my baby. Yo, yummy, yummy. Fruits yummy, right? Yeah, see? Yeah, they finished almost done. They're eating. Marie loves it. You see, she loves it. You spoiled too much, huh? So what's going on, huh? Yeah. Come on, let's go. Well, you're almost done there. Alright guys, this is all up to now because I feed them the fruits here and carrots and apples here at the backyards where there is on the roof, you know. Yeah, so they loves it. They loves the apples and carrots, so they finish all. Alright, thank you so much. See you again next time. Have a wonderful day sa inyo. The time now is 5:30 in the afternoon. Okay, see you. Bye. Looks like you're mad at me. Okay, no more. Enough. Enough. Alright? Enough. Why are you looking at me? It's enough. I'll give you everything. Okay? No more. No more. Done. Bye.